Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Unsharp mask filter applies sharpening to edges in a photo. This technique is most easily shown in pictures intended for on-screen display, but also works well for printed images. However, for printed images, you may need to adjust the settings to optimize the printed quality. The Unsharp mask filter works by finding pixels that differ from neighboring pixels by a threshold value you choose. It then increases the contrast of the pixels by an amount you select. It also affects neighboring pixels within a radius you choose by lightening lighter pixels and darkening darker pixels. This corrects blur that can occur when photographing, resampling, or scanning photos. To apply the Unsharp mask filter to a selection or photo, select Enhance, Unsharp Mask from the menu bar to open the Unsharp Mask dialog box. Ensure the Preview checkbox is checked so you can preview the filter in the dialog box as you make changes. You can use the Zoom magnifying glass buttons to change the preview magnification, and click and drag in the preview image to pan around the preview. Use the Amount slider to enter the percentage of contrast to apply to the pixels. You can type the percentage or use the slider to set the percentage value you desire. Use the radius box or slider to set the number of neighboring pixels to sharpen around the edge. Lower values sharpen only the pixels around the edges, while higher settings sharpen larger areas of pixels. Use the threshold box or slider to set how far apart pixels must be from the surrounding area before they are considered edge pixels. Edge pixels are sharpened by the Unsharp mask. The default value of 0 sharpens all pixels in the image. You can reset changes you have made in this dialog box by holding the Alt key on your keyboard and then pressing the Reset button that appears in place of the Cancel button. You can cancel the sharpening by simply clicking the Cancel button. To apply the sharpening, click the OK button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.